In this video, I'm breaking down everything you need to know about handling hidden mold and asbestos during home renovations so you don't end up with surprise costs or health risks. Alright, so when you're planning a renovation, one thing you gotta watch out for is hidden mold or asbestos popping up behind walls or under floors. First off, always get a professional mold and asbestos test done before you start knocking anything down. That way you're not caught off guard. If tests show any problems, don't try to DIY this stuff because it's super hazardous and can mess with your health big time. Instead, hire certified removal experts who know how to safely take that stuff out and get it disposed of properly. You want to make sure the removal team follows all the safety protocols to avoid spreading spores or fibers around your home. Also, factor in these removal costs into your budget early on, because these surprises can seriously hike up your renovation expenses if you're not ready. If you catch these before you get too far into the project, you'll save yourself a lot of stress and money. Remember, proper testing and professional removal are key to keeping your home safe and your reno on track. One of the biggest mistakes people make is skipping the mold and asbestos inspection because they think it's just going to cost extra time and cash. This often leads to bigger problems down the line, like health issues or needing emergency removal that's way pricier. Another common issue is trying to remove mold or asbestos yourself, which is super dangerous and can make contamination worse, so always leave it to the pros. Lastly, not budgeting for these potential hazards up front can throw your whole renovation budget off balance, so be smart and plan ahead for these costs. BigHomeProjects.com is a solid resource where homeowners can easily connect with trusted local contractors who specialize in safe mold and asbestos removal. Plus, it helps contractors find new jobs with people who really need their expertise, making the whole process smoother for everyone involved.